Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi convener Y.K. has stated that the Chief Minister and the Home Minister of Manipur should resign on moral grounds if they cannot conduct a military crackdown to eliminate Kuki-Narco terrorists. He also announced a social boycott of all BJP activities in the state. Addressing a press meet at their Imphal Part office, the Cocomi convener alleged that the ongoing crisis is a proxy war seemingly orchestrated by the government of India. He claimed that the public has seen central and state security forces fail to act while proxy armies are killing civilians using sophisticated weapons. Dhiren accused both the past and present BJP administrations as well as previous period of president's rule of failing to launch a military crackdown despite repeated promises. He further criticized the statements made by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand during his recent visits to Judibam and Ukhrul. The Cocomi convener noted that an ambush on Tangkhul civilians in Ukhrul district occurring just a day after the Chief Minister met with Naga and Kuki villages to discuss peace rendered his peace efforts a mockery and was akin to a slap in the face of the administration. He demanded that the government immediately stop security forces from using excessive force against protesters and end proxy wars. The Cocomi convener also urged the government to take action against CRPF personnel involved in firing on civilians at the camp and to initiate an immediate military offensive against Kuki-Narco terrorists.
Manipur da Chathariba, Maru in the Senariba, Adumaba Kuki-Narco terrorists, Matata military crackdown to Haiba, Makoshi Marum Hanga Mutolo Haiba, Amasung, CRPF Sing Matata, judicial inquiry Torokanda, Iron Grove action, local Haiba Posa, Pangripoba, Masak Topa, Penningai over Tabuk Mamal, Lakribo by Konjan Hankiroi, Konjang Manumchana, Manipur, Tongan Mo, Fum Singdagi, Punchilakanda, Chief Minister, Amasung Home Minister, Yumtana, Haiba, military crackdown to, Amasung CRPF Sing Matata, action local, Amasung proxy war level Haiba, Kolau Sigaloina, Miam Goiba, Konjin Chenchenduna, Eko Makoi Pakum, Makoi stay in the door, Firepodo, Eko Lomina, Konjin Chenchin BJP party labor, Dumlaba, Toboy, Manipur, lady, wishing is in a shoe, high the issue, Silo Shinaba, Masagi, Lamdum Siki, Kunai, Sikan, Bada, Makoi shoe, Chauraba responsibility, lay have said, Mashi Logadamani, a sheet of Horakanda, Cocomi, Maki the Gidi, Manipur, Miam Golona, Dumlaba, BJP, Oiba, political activities could in Waikoi, Tarukada, Boycott Toba, Junction Jargani Haba, Wapumsi, a Miamda, a Tamjari.